Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a timid little turtle named Tim. Tim was known for his slowness. One day, Tim noticed a shimmering rainbow above the pond. "Oh, what a beautiful sight," he thought. The rainbow was so dazzling that it caught the attention of the mischievous squirrel, Squeaky. Squeaky, known for his quickness, darted towards the rainbow, hoping to catch its beauty. "Slow down, Squeaky," cried Tim, showing concern. "The rainbow is not a toy." Squeaky laughed and continued, but as he reached for the rainbow, it disappeared. "I told you, Squeaky," said Tim, feeling a sense of relief. "Rainbows are meant to be admired, not caught." From that day, Squeaky learned to respect the beauty of nature. He realized that sometimes slowness can lead to wisdom. And so, in the lush green forest, the timid little turtle, Tim, became a beacon of wisdom, teaching everyone about patience and respect. Good night, my dear friends. Remember to appreciate the beauty around you, and always choose wisdom over haste. Sweet dreams.